In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cost breakdown in CostMiner. Whether you're working on a complex construction project or just looking to streamline your budget estimates, CostMiner is a powerful tool to get your financial details organized and precise. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at the process. First, we'll need to access the CostMiner platform. Use your preferred web browser and navigate to the CostMiner login page, specifically meant for construction estimating and takeoff software. If you're not already registered, make sure to sign up. Once you arrive at the login screen, go ahead and enter your credentials. Clicking Login will bring you into the main interface of CostMiner, where all your construction project magic happens. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all your current and past projects laid out neatly. Select the project you want to work on by clicking on it. This action will take you directly into that specific project space, where you can find various tools and features relevant to your construction tasks. If you're in the midst of a cumbersome construction project, having everything in one place like this can truly be a time saver. Now, assuming you've already completed the takeoff process, where you've detailed all the necessary work and materials needed, you're ready to generate a report. This report will encapsulate the crucial elements of your project, providing a clear picture of your costs. Next, find the Reports tab. It's usually situated within the project navigation area. Clicking on this will give you access to different reporting options. Among these options, you'll find the Rate Breakdown feature. Select it, and this will compile a detailed page itemizing your costs. It's essential because it gives you a line-by-line breakdown of everything that's financially impacting your project. Finally, once your rate breakdown is neatly displayed on the page, you might need to export this data for meetings, backup, or collaboration purposes. To do this, look for the Export option. Click it and choose your desired output format. Whether it's a PDF or an Excel sheet, being able to present your financials in a professional format enhances your project's credibility and makes it easier for you to collaborate with stakeholders or team members. That's all there is to creating a cost breakdown in CostMiner. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive, organized view of your project's financials right at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to let us know if you have any questions or need further assistance in the comments below. Happy budgeting with CostMiner.